Happy Saturday, guys. This is what I do to keep my braids unfrizzy and untangled. And I know there's a lot of people who say don't run your hands through the braids. You're gonna kind of have to sort of do that because as you can see, the hair definitely comes out and there's a lot of hair. See that? There's a lot of hair that comes out of your braids. It sheds just like the hair on your head. And so to keep it moist and to keep it, these are hot summer months, number one. And to keep it from being frizzy, you must do this almost on a daily basis to keep it from being frizzy and keep all that dead hair from just hanging around and knotting up, because that's really what causes the hair to knot up, you guys. It's all of the dead extra hair that gets entangled into your braids and it keeps it knotted up. And so you must do this as a daily regimen when you are planning to put braids in your hair. And I've had mine in for a little over a month now, and they're still pretty good. The roots probably need a little exercise, and what I'm gonna do a little later is put some gel snot on my roots and just kind of, go between the parts and just kind of maybe lay it down just so it can kind of look a little fresh. That's how I keep mine looking like new. But you guys, you must detangle your hair, and you must do this on a daily, almost a daily basis, especially if you don't use the proper sleeping tools to make sure that you are covering your hair at night with a silk hair wrap or something like that. You can find any of those at any of your local beauty supply stores. I have several. But yeah, that's what I do, you guys. It's a lot of work to maintain these knotless braids, boho, whatever you guys want to call them. It is a lot to maintain them. But if you want to keep them from being frizzy, keep them from being tangled up, frizzy and tangled up, you must do this on a regular basis. And yes, I run my hands through there, because how else are you going to make sure that you're getting all the dead hair from, and just look how much hair I just accumulated out of just that little piece of those little few braids over here on this side. So if this much comes out of there, you can just imagine how much is in your full head of hair. So you guys, I'm telling you, do this on a regular basis, almost daily, if not daily, every other day. But I would definitely say at least twice a week, maybe even 3 times a week. I would do this because this is the only way I can maintain and make sure that I don't have a lot of tangle and knots in my knotless. So I hope that helped you guys. I'm going to show you some of the products that I do use. There you go. I also use this spray to keep them really nice. I also use this. And then I have some gel, braid gel, or snot that I use on my edges when I want to slick those down. It's what you do. And for those ladies of those mature ladies of a mature age, if you have that ingrown gray hair as I do, you want to make sure that you have, I love this Root Magic. And I know some of you young gals probably don't know what I'm talking about. I was once that age too. I didn't have to worry about it, but now I do. So I have this nice little Root Magic that I just take and I just kind of spray in between on my braids just to make sure that little root action when I don't want the gray hair to show. I mean, you know, it's up to you, but I think it's essential when you are going different places and you want your braids to look beautiful and you don't want that excess gray hair or whatever to distract you and your goals and what you're trying to do for that day or for that look. So, you guys, I hope this helped. I will see you all next time. Ciao and happy Saturday. Let's keep it beautiful, you guys. Keep it beautiful and keep it classy. Keep it beautiful and keep it classy. Yes. See you later. See you later.